What's up, Flowstar family? My name is Breann, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the crossover wrist spin, which looks just like this. This trick is super funky. I've been told that it's pretty similar to a move that's done in color guard called the money hand spin, so we will be referencing money hands in this tutorial. So let's go ahead and get right into it. For this trick, you're going to take your right hand, fingertips to palm with your Flowstar right in between, and place it down. Take your left hand and place that right over top. This trick uses a lot of momentum, so the faster that you go, the easier it will be, but I am going to break it down into two parts for the sake of this tutorial. So the first part is letting the Flowstar glide right over the top of your hand and catching it with that money hand pinch with your left hand and guiding it downwards. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And again. And again. Once you're in this positioning, you're ready to complete the motion by simply taking your right hand and grabbing in between the points that should be guided directly to it from that initial motion. Once you're here, you're just going to take your right hand and flick the Flowstar upwards towards your left hand and be ready to catch it with that money hand pinch again, and that's how you'll keep the trick continuing. Like I said, it's a lot easier the faster that you go. And then to do it with the other hand, you'll just take your left hand, place it down on the bottom, right hand over top, swing it, let it glide over the top of your hands, catching it with that money hand pinch, guiding it down. Now you're going to catch it with your left hand and flick it up. And that is the crossover wrist spin. If this tutorial was helpful for you, make sure to give us a like, comment what other tricks you'd like to see. And as always, happy flowing!